Yo, Chad. What's going on, baby? Welcome back to Wall Street Sessions. I hope you guys are ready for a good one. Chris, how you feeling, brother?
Oh, I'm feeling... I don't know how I feel. I took a light out, then I stepped in some press stick. It's been a day.
Obviously... Yeah, guys, we just finished up. We had Craig here, our other Project G member that one was flown out from Utenake. So we just finished up with him. Very nice chat, seeing the guy, meeting the guy. So quite a nice one. We are locked in, ready to go for New York. Chris, I think, is also ready to lock in. He actually wants to get some massive profits here today. So I think he's taking that US strat with me today. But Chris, you ready for those 2-second TPs?
I'm happy even 5 seconds. I think we can even run it to 5, but I'm more than happy. Yeah, awesome to be. Thank you for having me. Good to be here.
But guys, as always, before we get into it, Chris, you just want to open us up with a little prayer there, brother.
I will. Chad, keep your eyes closed, keep it open, however you feel comfortable. But we're just going to start here. Father, thank you for another day. Thank you for blessing us with the opportunity again here today. Thank you for each and every member here. Thank you for each and everyone watching. Thank you for this platform that you've blessed us with. I pray that you will give us wisdom, guidance, insight, and as we go about our day here today, that we will make a positive impact, that we will make good decisions, and ultimately that we can follow our plan today. And at the end of the day, that we can feel happy with the work that we've put in for the day. And then at the end of the day, we just want to give you all of the honor, all of the praise, all of the glory, because ultimately it's through your grace alone, Father. And we ask this and we pray this, not because we deserve it, but it's purely because of your grace and your mercies. In Jesus' name alone. Amen. Amen.
Amen. There we have it, Chad. So we are ready to go. Locked in. Stop losses protected. And now time to hit us some TPs. So right, I think, guys, we've again can actually go over and look at some fundamentals today. So what are we looking at for the day, guys? Let's have a look here quickly.
Keeks, I just need to, for some reason, your screen. Give me 1 second.
No stress.
All right. Sorry, man. I had to add some. There we go.
All right, guys. So what we're going to be looking at here on fundamentals today. Very, very simple. Unemployment claims that came out again earlier. Again, a little bit of a drop. So we can see there 245. They expect 237, 235. So it came out a little bit lower. So looking good there. But then obviously GDP, so a 1.4 to a 2 to a 2.8. Very, very interesting number coming out there. I think a lot of guys, if you are paying attention, you actually into fundamentals, you're going to know a lot about what that number is going to mean for us. So quite an interesting one to look at there in the day. So we want to see maybe a little bit more of dollar strength coming through, but we're going to see what happens here. Again, two ways around this, but we'll talk about that a little bit later. So let's just see what happens here. But our typical moves should still be playing out. We do see a little bit of overall, if you want to talk fundamentals, just go to session. We should see a dollar strength, a lower unemployment claim, and again a higher GDP. So we're going to see what happens there. But let's talk the charts now. So what are we looking at, ladies and gents? So there we go, dollar, big move to the top side. As I said, very good chance it's going to hold it. So we traded down, hit that level of resistance this morning, coming all the way back down to previous daily lows, almost taking that out, and then holding the daily S1 back above, all the way up. So what do we see? And if we can get above this level now of resistance, hold that as support as we spoke about, and hold that monthly S1, good chance we are going back up for, again, that 104, 165 key level we spoke about. We're in a range. We want to test the top of the range. That still isn't tested, so it looks very good for us on this side of things. Then over to this. So just so we say, guys, again, looking for a bit more of a bullish move here. Really see dollar make the comeback and get back up to that level. So going to be an interesting one here, especially with how those news results came out. When we go over to NASDAQ, what do we see over here? Big move, again, as well to the top side. We're going to see a little bit of a confluence here. I wouldn't be too surprised if we see the markets moving together moving forward today. And again, that's purely because of GDP and, again, low unemployment claims. Both of them talking about economy strength. And obviously, when we talk about NASDAQ, US study, there is, again, American businesses involved there. So this is a one where technically the number coming out can actually see strength in both pairs. So when we look at NASDAQ, still bearish in the long run. I think we're going to see still a bearish move. The strength of dollar outweighing these. So again, when we look at the higher time frames, just a little bit of confirmation. But what I will say is anything for me needs to be sells underneath the previous daily low. Otherwise, what I'm going to be looking for is the buy to the top side, Asia highs untested, and then back to this point where the NASDAQ can either decide to reverse or break and continue. So we're definitely going to see also Asia highs be tested. I think will be an area of interest for NASDAQ. With US 30, what am I looking at? Very simple. We are still looking quite bearish here. But again, we need to see that level hold, that psychological level. Otherwise, we are going to be coming down quite a bit over here. Again, monthly R1, so we can see this level coming into play. Otherwise, the major level just a little bit underneath that. So again, just under the previous daily low, monthly R1, as I said to you. This year, holding that level, big move to the downside. Personally, still liking the sells a little bit more. We spoke about it trading down the whole day. There's your book out. Your big move taking out the highs, failing at the highs, testing that psychological level, and coming all the way back down. Now holding Asia lows. If this can continue, very nice sells coming in over there. So we're going to keep a lookout for that. Then lastly, with gold for me, guys, very simple. I said to you guys, I'm still very simply bearish. I don't see us going bullish unless we broke above the monthly R1. We stayed around here the whole day, came all the way back up to it, literally to test it, and come right back down, taking out Asia lows again. Now staying this level. If we hold under this level, again, this gray little magic block here, if we stay under this, I'm looking for sales all day. Same situation. I'm only looking for the buys above the monthly R1. So again, only buys above there. Anytime we are under here and holding, remember, key thing we want to take note of, broke below, never held. Broke below, never held. So this level now, I will say, looking a lot better for the sells. But this is, again, where we want to see that move to the downside. Nice hold below, and then see that move come in. That is everything from my side. Chris, what you looking at, brother?
Thank you so much, my brother in Christ here with me today. Chat, okay, DXY, audio good, audio should be good. DXY still neutral to somewhat bullish. Today, very tricky. We're not gonna come on here and say these daily candles are a thing of beauty. No. Yesterday's candle taking a high, taking a low. Today's candle taking a low. Now about to flip bullish. I ever think once we get above 104, we could really start running and then attacking that 200 EMA on the daily. Otherwise, if we can't get above that, things are relatively chalked here for the dollar, believe it or not. But yeah, weekly pivot here, holding strong since Monday. Dollar index could not come below this weekly pivot, so that is some positive sign for the dollar. But again, very choppy, rangy week. No clear direction. Even if you look at this all the way back to Monday, chat, this is the dollar index. Very messy, but let's see. Going into the session, there's that little daily pivot EQ level I told you guys to monitor. Now We've broken above. Asia highs tested. Asia lows taken. Chad, dollar needs to make a move here today. Get above this monthly S1. We talked about this level yesterday. I don't know how much more accumulation the dollar bulls want, but take advantage, get above this level and start taking it away. Otherwise, the dollar bears are going to come in. They're going to take the advantage here and they're going to keep it moving. All right, so US 30, Geeks, before I forget your rhino horn. There you go. US 30 on the daily. I told you guys, bearish for me on the daily. Came back to retest that breakout level. About, I'm going to say, Chad, monitor yesterday's low. Big level. That's going to basically determine the rest of the session. 4 hour time frame. Look at that. Incredible. 4 hour break of structure. Not even giving a bounce. Not even flinching. Just saying, listen here, I'm on my way downtown. Either you get on board with the shorts or you're going to get your hands cut a little bit. But either way, we are ready for both ways of the coin here. 80 is doing this thing here where it's like the bulls want to say, listen here, we are here. We all for it. But also the bears are saying we still have somewhat of an advantage. Messy price action. High's been taken, low's been taken. Yearly pivot in action here. For me, everything is going to hinge around this level. A lot of equal lows here. A lot of equal lows. So very likely, Chad. Very likely we're going to come into this level there. So keep an eye out for that level. I almost think it's a given. Previous daily low is a given. It's just a case of, is that the liquidity sweep to go higher, or is that going to become the resistance for the rest of the session? And we're just going to have a dramatic sell-off here today. We will see. Not the cleanest, but we're ready for it. Daily candle on Nasdaq, breaking a previous daily low. Now starting to hold somewhat bullish here. There's that little gray block we spoke about. Previous support area, breakout zone. 4 hour, again, Chad, still a lot of downside momentum. Nothing that I can say really looks bullish at this stage. I told you guys this morning as well, for anything bullish, weekly S1, Asia highs, we need to get above that level, Chad. That is where things start to get bullish. Anything below here is just bad, Chad. It's a bad day for a bear, for a bull. But if we can hold Asia lows, previous daily low, we held above it. Check here. Bears couldn't really take advantage of the momentum, but there you go. Gold. Let's look at gold. Daily, all right. Daily, massive sell-off, massive break of structure. I think we can honestly say there's somewhat of a shift here on the daily, and bears are now really saying, listen here, we have shifted the markets, and I hope you guys are all right with it. We mentioned that we've got these two key levels here for the day that we're going to consider. 4 hour time frame. What do we have here? Again, massive break of structure. I would love just for us to come back and retest this area now on the backside. Look at that. Previously support, now potentially resistance. So are we first going to do one more dive to 2360? Very well could be. 4 hour taking a previous 4 hour low and a high, closing bearish. So very interesting price action here today, chat. 5 minute time frame. Weekly S1 somewhat holding. Asia low has been taken. Asia high still firmly intact, and daily S2. Chad, this is most probably some of the ugliest price action, but I'm gonna be honest with you. Flip, I don't know what to tell you guys. Like, I want to say, yo, this looks clean, this, that, no. That's the only zone I'm going to look at, and the rest I honestly, I don't know, Geeks. You've got a level on gold, but it's ugly. It's horrific.
Honestly, it's nothing really looking amazing today.
No. But yeah, Chad, that's me. That's pretty simple. We're gonna see how price develops, and
Yeah, boy. All right, guys. As always, you guys know what is loading here.
I know what it's looking.
Um,
It's looking good.
I
It's
do
looking
like
good.
it. I do like it.
But just those equal lows.
Bruh.
Lows
But
for
there
the
is
equals.
a nice target there.
I must just wait. Let me just get
So-
my strategy correct here.
I'm ready for it, guys. We are ready. We're gonna see what happens. Two things today, though. I think the USD strat, the R&D strat we're using.
Strategic.
It's either going to two things going to happen today, and I can almost tell you that we are almost going to hit a teleportation stop loss, or
That's horrific.
we're going to have a beautiful day today. Like there's no in betweens today, bro. If I'm looking at price now, there's personally those are the two options we have.
Let's go. Let's go. Okay.
So we got 7 minutes till that happens, guys. 7 minutes to 2 minutes of glory. We are gonna see it today.
I someone get that CPI feeling now.
Keith, from what you said, is the bias chosen on the 1 minute?
Who's asking this?
Ethan. Keith, from what you said, is the bias
Yes.
chosen on the
Just
1
say
minute?
yes.
Yes. Yes.
Hard breach on the 1 minute.
The liquidity is hectic on the dollar, though. Yeah. Audio is solid. Damn, what's going on here? Am I like behind, or is the chat just really not chatting today? He means your R&D strat. Yeah, no, Peter. I'm getting that, but I'm just trying to mean what exactly. Chat isn't chatting. Oh, you guys are quiet, aren't you? I see Slushy, who... Jex is here, Dylan's here, Lyndon's here,
Chad,
Bevan is here. Is Etty here?
Did
Etty is here. Yeah, why is everyone so quiet?
did what's the name? Did what's the name give you the indicator yet? The link for the boys. Yeah, guys, the 2G's indicator will be live.
No, not yet.
Not yet, okay.
I tried logging in and I don't have the right password. So I need to figure out what my password is to send to him.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
That's horrific.
That's the only problem I'm having right now. So I'll try again
so
off the stream.
That's Keegs, that is.
Yeah, no, it's me. I need to try and remember what the hell my password is without changing it. We out here. Everyone is at the back of the class.
No, Kaylin, back in the day, remember that IT class? Password is password. That's like, yo, that's so out of the box thinking.
Mentally prepping for potential buzz cut. Give us a controversial topic to talk about to wake up the chat. The 2Gs, 2 goats, password.
Yeah, Chad is new, yeah. I always feel like there's like your staple. You've got like your core group. These are the boys that you go to war with. Those are the lads that were like through and through on the 24-hour stream.
Yeah. The question is, what were boys trying to? Were any of you trying to trade this? Is that why everyone's quiet? Are you guys getting chalked in
You
this?
think the boys got clapped? Chad, be honest there.
Who was trying to trade this, guys? We told you this morning. I said to you, you're not getting anything, yeah. Who was trying to trade gold?
Chad, be honest with us. There's no shame in being a DJ.
I'm waiting for it to break out either
I
up
did
or
a
down.
bit.
Yeah.
Hey, do from us. Yeah, bro. I traded it. There we go. You see, Chad. Now we're starting to make progress here. Talk to us.
Guilty.
There we go. Okay, so the boys wanted to that little finger that like. You wanted to click that little button. Hey, I did feel cute. Okay, there we go, Chad. Now,
Yo, Chad.
you see, you just need that one guy to be like, hey,
Yo,
I'm that guy. I'm that guy. Finger was itching. Okay.
Yeah, I know, guys. How would you say it's? Not every day is a trading day.
Okay, I'm gonna pee a quick 3 minutes. I'll see you guys
Oh.
now. TPs.
You guys, if a trade's incoming, this man's got to go. 3 minutes. Is he going to be back in time? We will see. Oaks wanted to hear that swoosh sound. My pilot line went at the bottom of the swing. Got me up to my phase 2, Chad. Still have my bullets for the day. Gold messing around. Yeah, no, I'm ready, guys. I think I'm going to do the same thing today as well. We're going to double up. So, the same thing I spoke to you guys yesterday. We're going to take a trade if it basically. So, remember, how it's going to work is, just so you guys understand this. Let's just draw a picture here. Let's say I'm selling. Okay. If I take a sell now, obviously that's my position. Just so I can mark out where my 1 to 2 is. But keep in mind, guys, what I'm going to do is, because normally I would run, this is going to mess with my head now. I'd run a 30 pip. Why does this look so tiny? I'd run a 30 pip stop, but now because it's going to be different, I want to double it up. So I'm going to run a 60 pip. But what happens? That means because I've doubled up, this first position, I'm technically putting 0.5% on. Any candle that closes in drawdown. So if, let's say, once I've entered, the next candle closes like this, I'm going to re-enter. And that one I'm going to enter a full percent, but technically it only runs till there. Alright. So just so you guys understand. Huh?
Just mute it.
The next fake.
Okay.
Can, yeah.
Okay. Yo, because I almost. Yo. Alright.
So, yeah, just remember, guys, that's how we will be doing it today. So, I'm going to pull a 30 pip just to first mark my TP, and then I'm going to extend it to double. So, you guys understand what's going on here.
Your markets are open. You can open us
Hey,
up here. You can
markets
open us
are
up,
open, baby. Round 8. Let's go.
Sheesh, chat. There we go.
Let's see what happens, Chad.
Oh,
We're going to tell you guys, you know what's incoming.
There we go.
You know what's incoming.
30 seconds. Oof. Oof. But I'm ready.
Ready.
I'm ready, my bro.
Chad, are you ready?
15 seconds.
Are you ready, Chad?
There we go.
Let's get ready.
Yo, this could be a quick haircut, my bro. Oh, damn.
I'm in, Chad.
I didn't pull back too much.
Yeah. But
I'm waiting.
I'm
waiting. I'm gonna wait. Sorry, man.
technically, I'm actually screwed there because it is wrong.
Yeah,
but
it's just pulled back on the last.
But I'm already in it, so
maybe add.
yeah. So remember, guys, I'm just doing that to mark out TP, and then we'll double it up. So you guys just understand what we're doing here. Hey, there we go.
Yo, it literally pulled, and as I looked left and it closed, and I looked right, and I saw but anyways, there you go, beautiful.
There we go, Chad.
Okay, no, but technically I'm right when I say it actually.
You were right.
Yeah.
It shouldn't have, but
Yeah.
I pulled it because it shoved
No,
the
no, it's
last
fine.
second.
No,
Yeah.
no, it's perfectly fine. There's no shame in.
Nothing's technically happened there yet, bro. So
Okay, let's see it, Chad.
all right. Long or short, we're in buys, Andrew. We are in the buys.
Yo, I'm
Ow.
kak bleak. I'm bleak, bro.
There we go, guys. There's TP hit. We are done.
Bro.
There we go. We done, Chad. TP, baby. I'm out, bro.
Nah, no, you out, but bro, I was okay. But listen, yeah. In all fairness, Geeks, like in all fairness, if you are clinical about it, that thing closed outside of the range.
No, it did.
So,
It did.
okay,
but
so-
remember, so I literally, bro, it was like
No,
1
but
second.
I
you-
waited for like I
My thing
actually
is-
wanted to clip it.
My thing is that
fine.
last 1 second, I already technically enter because
No,
you're on a 1 minute,
yeah,
it can
yeah,
already
it's
jump
quick.
so quickly.
Bro, that is stunning. I am so jealous, man. I'm gak jealous. 80, 90 points.
TP, baby. There we go, Chad. Not even we needed the drawdown.
Bro, I'm actually
So the-
childish for not taking that trade.
We didn't even need the double up drawdown.
I am
There's
a
the trade.
child for...
There is the trade, baby.
Jeez Louise.
Chad, you guys know what's coming. You know what's coming, baby. Get those W's ready. Get them W's ready, Chad. All right.
Okay, wait, Keeks. So my question now is... Let me just
I know what
mute
you
here.
want to take. Significant.
Yeah. Okay, no, I just want to...
Chad, you guys are ready. All right, sorry, we're going to redo it. I was definitely gone, yeah. Chad, send a W if you took that trade. All right, guys, we were in and out. New York session started. Within 2 minutes, we hit TP, a nice 60 pips to start off the session. Literally 2 minutes, all called out with our members. 200 guys trading love. Look at that, baby. Once again, 2 minutes, 2%. Easy as you like. Hey.
Did he just say 2 minutes, 2%? Easy as you like.
Bro,
I love it, dude.
where did this thing... Hold on. How much do you think it closed me out on?
How much did you risk?
1%.
2%.
It closed me out just under 3%.
How?
It gapped a bit at the end.
Oh, did it gap? Did
gapped
it
a bit. So
slip?
when I clicked... So I think what happened was where the TP was, yeah. I think this moment, I think it gapped a bit. Woo! 2%, baby, to phase 2 done. There we go.
2% to phase 2. Dan, listen to this, man. I'm still...
Just waiting for the bottom wick.
I'm still 2% into my phase 1.
Bro, did you read?
Wait. Nah, Chad. Sisa. Sis for you guys. Sis.
Yeah, they
Sis,
can.
sis. Sissy.
Guys, to be fair, what did I say to you? I literally said the way market was moving, we were either having an instant stop loss or this thing was teleporting. This thing can still go. If anyone is still in, I think definitely you
Bro,
can either
yeah.
move all the way to the
I
EQ.
I
All the way
almost
to the
entered
EQ,
it.
you can hoy it. But
No.
I'm not giving my stuff back yet, Chad. But
no,
I don't know
you're
if
done. You're done.
I don't know if I want to trade a Friday. But you know it's mechanical, so I don't have to think about it.
Listen to this, man. I don't know if I want to trade a Friday, but I'm a mechanic trader. I work on cars on the weekend, trade during the week. They call me a mechanical trader. Okay, can you rather just say buy now or sell now? Yeah, I agree, Keeks. Yeah, maybe just say we're buying.
Who said that?
No, Alian. We already know the TP and stop loss. No, okay, I agree. No, because it moves so quick. Just to say, like, Chad, I'm looking purely for buys.
Okay, I'm with you.
So that when we, even I would say, like 2 minutes before the open, we can, because we already know what we're going to do.
Yeah.
So to say we're looking for the buys or.
Okay. To be fair, okay, then we'll do that. Like 2 minutes before I'm going to enter, I'll tell you guys what I'm looking for. So you do have a heads up. And then we'll say exactly what it is once we enter.
Guys, I'm struggling to find the currency trading now on MT5. Anyone help? It's usually US30 or it's DGI. Yeah, but it's a US30 index. Yeah, we'll do that, Ricardo page. I think that's a good one.
Yeah, no, Leon, I do get you. I don't think it was 15 seconds past, but where I think it becomes 15 is because you guys also have the delay from us. So again, you kind of trade on a 1 minute, very quick and aggressive, and you guys have like I think a 2-3 second delay. So yeah, I think we definitely can do that moving forward for you guys.
The pippers and the dippers just came for a young. Came for their pips and then their dips.
With this one, in all fairness though, you guys could have still entered because you would have entered in the drawdown period. So someone could have even got a better entry than what we got.
Oh, I was so. But Kiggs, you know what the nice thing is now? My first position, I would have risked 1%. So if it just pushed up, you would have made 1%.
Yeah.
That, which is fine. So it's still 1-1. But that second position, that's the lacquer one that's going to give you that extra
the one
percent.
That pumps you. Like let's just say if this one did close, for example, if that closed bearish and then pumped, I would have been down phase 2 now, because then I would have had 2 positions in. This would have been milked.
Okay.
You should call it the quickie strat.
Sure, Chad. The quickie strat.
My delay is 7 seconds, Declan, but you should be able. I don't think anyone else is that far back. You should be able to press the live button.
Just click the live button before, like every now and again, just click live, because sometimes what YouTube does.
Yeah, I comes the sells on gold though, Chad.
Yeah, I'm checking it. 23. This thing could die heavy.
Gold. 100%. 100%.
I'm looking for sales below 23.65.
Lyndon, you know, bro, that's the marketer in me coming out.
What's that?
That's the catchphrase. 2% in 2 minutes.
2 for 2.
Made 1.6k. Hey, there you go, brother. Alright, okay, no, I get what you're saying though, bro. Prop firm, cheat code, quickie strat. Brad, true beast, brother. Appreciate it, Lyndon. As I said, guys, literally, you guys would know this will be coming to you, especially with the Project G guys. We just didn't want to, as you can see, like, it's going to kill this already. Then I'd have to have Franjo come out again. So we literally just wait until it's live. Then you're literally going to be linked to the live account.
Mpo Kumalo, go exclamation US30, my brother.
What is you looking for?
The 222 strat. That's what we call it. 222 strat. 2%, 2 minutes by the 2 Gs.
Hey.
222.
Made 3%, brought in the drawdown. Hey, Ruben, perfect, bro. That's what we were hoping for. Remember, we said we wanted the drawdown so I could get a second entry in. But we never got the drawdown. We had a little bit of a closure, but not enough. Like we had a candle close, but technically still in profits. Yo, Keegan, do you still trade the same strat as when you were in Garen's group back when you raised, when you traded the 300k? Nah, bro, different strat now.
Alian, no. I must actually do. I first want to just make a nice list. I can't just copy it. I just want to put like emojis and stuff next to it. So I just want to like dump it there. Like I want the text to be like how to calculate your lot sizes. Like I'll put it all of it there. Chris's new strat. Wait for the bottom wick. Oh shit, chat. Kalen. Alright, Kalen. Alright, thank you, Kalen. So
That's
cool.
long ago. No, he was one of the OGs. Oh, no, appreciate it, brother. Yeah, as I say, me and Garen still very, very close. We go way back then. I mean, as you know. But I hope he's doing well. I think the obviously Garen and the analyst is still him and Scoots. I think now, obviously.
Who's Scoots?
It's a member. It's one of his members. But
Scoots sounds like a
potential.
DJ. Like DJ Scoots on the decks. Join us this Friday as DJ Scoots mixes up the decks for the
Quick
boys.
3K Keegs. Thank you, gents. Hey, shots fired.
Yeah, that was incredible.
Kalen, he needs to pee first before the strat.
Yeah. It's called the PP
That's
strat.
one of the confluencies. You got to go pee first.
Chad, but there I gave you guys a TP. I went to go pee. I told you. There we go. Peed.
But I'm not active on the group, but I pop in now and then. Yeah, bro, same here. I mean, if the guys like directly tag me or message me, I'll respond. But it's just, I mean, it's a lot of messages, and we obviously have our stuff to get through. So, as I say, I still try and help Garen where I can and do some stuff with him. But yeah, it's not, like I said, not that we're not mates. He's still one of like my best mates. But yeah, it is quite a while ago.
All right. I think that P gave it away. If you didn't full margin on that, you had the P going for you. Chad, there was a lot.
Is your P what gave me the problem?
Bro.
The magic P. Thank you for blessing me with it, Chris.
Am I still looking for cells? Absolutely. While we are, let me just go here, Chad, real quick. Chad, while we're trading below the ski level here, we cannot be looking for buys. That there. We cannot. The only way that I can start looking for buys is above the ski level. All right. So this is that level we've been waiting for this entire morning. Where I said we have. Look at this, Chad. We have not once closed above and held a retest. Not even this push here. There again, actually gapped up, closed below. So if we cannot get above that level, how can I be looking for buys? Because all of that could have been accumulation to start selling down. But also I cannot sell up until we get down here. And you can say, Chris, why are we only selling down here? Because here's the weekly S1 which we've been holding. So there's two zones here where price is literally just stuck in between. The bulls are defending this level here and the bears are defending that level there. And in between here, most of you, as you've mentioned, have gotten clapped because you couldn't wait and you thought, oh shit. Some of you were like, yeah, here's that breakout Chris was talking about. Let me buy. And, oh, okay, wait, I bought there. And it's like, oh, damn. Okay, here's that sell. Here's the sell. I'm selling. We're going. And now it's here. You see what I'm saying? And now everyone, the buyers, the sellers, all of them are now nicely sat in between here. And nobody's winning at this stage.
rules.
Yeah, you can't degen. All right, Chad, exciting stuff. The pippers and dippers came and gone. I'm not even going to wait for the gold cells. Come back for the cells.
Nah, I like the cells though, bro.
Rashdin Hamid, so when you join, you'll actually be added to a special group on our Discord server. So it's a server that's only for the Project G members. Keeks Rashdin was asking. Also, guys, call tonight. Maybe we'll slowly but surely start adding some elements to the strat tonight.
Just making sure if you join Project G, you guys receive payment and a new channel will appear in my Discord. Rusty, not a new channel. It will just be a new section. So it's you'll be added to it. So in the normal 2G's free Discord, you'll be in there. But when you scroll down, you'll see Project G. So only once you add it, that becomes visible to you. Where everyone else is not in Project G, they can't see that section.
All right. Now you're scared to lose your real money. Don't be scared, my brother. If you've got a 1,000 Rand account and you risk 1%, even if it's 10 Rand, you've got 100 shots to win a trade. Think about it that way. Don't think about losing your real money. Chad, here's my thing. Some of you trade thinking that every single trade you're going to risk the entire account and you've got one shot to make it. If you don't win this trade, your trading is done. Forget it. You're not going to make it in trading. That's not what trading is about.
Yeah,
it's a game of probabilities. One trade is not going to change your life. Forget the stuff that these marketing gurus tell you're one trade away from changing your entire family's life. No, bro, you're not one trade away from changing nobody's life. Yeah. You can maybe be one step closer to changing your family's life, but nothing's going to happen in one step, please.
Yeah, but I think also, guys, I always say to people, again, it's a long-term game, and think of it like a business. It's going to cost you money to make money. So there's going to be losses, but that's part and parcel. Even when you think about a prop firm account, it's all nice and wild to sit there now and kill them. But if I had to go and total up how much money I've spent on prop firm accounts, yes, I'm probably still profitable now, but at that point in time, it was an investment. That was learning the skill, learning how this works, learning the psychology behind it.
It's on my shoulder, my bro.
The shoulder hurting.
The shoulder from not taking a trade. No, but it was lucky to see it play out.
Ah, it was a beautiful trade.
Oh, Chad, it was stunning.
That trade is growing in confidence.
Boys are ready to risk it all.
People are going to come from far and wide to learn about
phoning your private banker, listening to that revolving credit loan, bump it up to 300k. I need it by the end of the week. I'm full porting the 222 strat on Friday. Sorry, sir, what did you say? The 222 strat. If you want in on it, here's the link. 2G's trading.
Bro, I feel like that's going to stick now. The 222 strats.
222 strat.
People gonna be like, what are these boys on, bro?
222 strat. Chad Adonia, baby. Is gold ready? Okay, Chad. Let's quickly look at it. Multiple tests there. Is this thing ready to run? So if we close below here, Chad, I'm willing to take a risky entry here. And this is my idea. If we close below here, if this body in the next 2 minutes closes somewhere here, or even down here, I would actually love if it closes there. That's the weekly low. then what I want to see is once we break that low, I just want to see it flush. I'll even go with like a 15 pip stop, where as soon as it closes there, tiny top wick, not asking anything major, not asking special. I'm not asking for a Bugatti or whatever. I'm just asking for a little tiny top wick, sell stops on the low, 15 pip stop. You can even go 12, because once it breaks here, and then once it breaks that daily, weekly low, that's when the teleportation is going to start. Or you can teleport now. Either way, that is what I'm looking for. 1 minute, hold the line. Don't become silly now. Hold it. 1 minute. 1 minute.
Come on, Chris. Just a top wick, brother. Just a top wick.
Just a top wick.
You can do it. Nah, bro, I do back this though. I like this. If I pay now, will I make tonight's call? Yes, you will, my brother.
It closes below, screw the top wick. Hey, Peter. Now, Peter needs to close below here. Because remember, all of this thing can still U-turn here. And screw you over. So, let's see here. I don't like this. Come on, just close here. Come, close below there. 10 seconds. Okay, Chad, this is very aggressive. Very aggressive. Okay, little top wick. Need a little top wick. Little top wick. There we go. Sell stops on the low there. Chad, okay, there we go. Sell stops here on the low. Very, very aggressive. Once it activates, if it activates, going with the 15 pip stop. Key level there, but if we really look at it, we can even go to the daily S3 here. But I'm going to say 23.55. 15 pip stop, sell stops, not active yet. We actually did a beautiful template for it, so let's do that. Template. We didn't do a... Let's quickly do... Okay, little equal low almost here. Alright, 4 minutes. 4 minutes. Peter, I see you, brother. You don't have to convince me about anything. If you think the monthly is going to flip, you don't have to convince me of anything, brother. Love you to pieces. I trade what I see. So if you're going to try and tell me the monthly is going to flip and it's going to go this, that, I'm literally focused on what's happening right here in front of me. This is my playing field for the next couple of minutes. What the monthly and the rest is doing is absolutely none of my business at this stage. I just want to potentially get into a trade here, and then I potentially need to manage this trade. All right, so I feel you. I know exactly what you're trying to do here. You're trying to convince yourself. So I don't know if you're already in sales, but yeah, this is the position I'm looking for. No need to try and sell me on gold going bearish or any of that. Okay. We are about... What is what is golding? Chad, we're not active
you're not
yet.
in it yet, bro.
No.
So what are you waiting for?
No, it just needs to break the lows. Yeah.
Oh, okay.
No, I've got sell stops there.
Oh, you got sell stop. All right.
I'm expecting once it triggers us, yeah, I'm expecting a waterfall move, like a teleportation move. That's if it breaks. I'm just ready to move my stop loss because the sell stop doesn't. Wait, I can edit. Ooh. So I'm expecting it once it breaks, like it's gonna flush. Okay, Chad, I'm active. Let me just pull my stop. Your 15 pips is hella tight.
I back this, bro. I back it.
Chad, I've got a very tight stop. Okay, yeah, that is my stop. Okay, sell stops are active. Very tight stop because it needs to run here, Chad. We can't mess here.
If that 15 closes now, bro, where it is, I think you're gone. This thing's gonna fall.
Chad, very, very tight stop. Very, very tight stop. That's why I can get stopped now because, okay, out. There you go. Out.
Yo.
Yeah. No.
Bro, I'm gonna cry for you if this thing closes and goes.
No. Even if it goes, here's the thing though, Keeks. If you look at it, that is the weekly low. We already broke it once.
Yeah.
We already tested 2365. When we break here, this could all still be a liquidity sweep. That's why I said 15. Not even giving it any room. So that was 0.5%, Chad. Today. Yeah.
Yeah, well, even now, bro, like as I said, the 15 now, if the 15's gonna close, that closes where it is now, then that's rejected.
Yeah, no, I don't. Chad, here's the thing. With any trade that is, look at gold. So we've been consolidating this entire day here. There's so much accumulation that's going on. The daily low, the session low is where volume can come in, and we have seen it so many times, even yesterday in the session. So if you're going to take a punt at it, and there's nothing wrong with taking a punt at it. Don't think, I'm never going to trade that again. No. You want to see volume come into the market. You don't want to chance it. That's why I said a 15 pip stop, because once it breaks, it needs to flush. It needs to move down. But now, this becomes tricky. Would I take a second bite at it? I don't know. I don't think so. Unless, no, I wouldn't. Because it's already one swipe here. Second swipe. No. 1 hour closing, pulling back out of the 1 hour close. 1 hour close bearish. Yeah. No. Asia low. Chad, if we are here in the next couple of minutes above here, I'm still liking the potential buys, but it has been choppy in this range.
It's been tough out there.
Do you check the dollar before entering? Not really. DXY has got zero effect on gold. If you go and check DXY weighting, 56% of the DXY is weighted in the euro.
My thing is, you can find a correlation for me personally, but it's delayed. When by the time you're going to see the correlation, the move you should have been has happened.
It gives you an overall idea of what the dollar is doing, but in terms of pure correlation, there you've got it. Euro, yen, pound sterling, CAD, Swedish krona, Swiss franc. So the gold is not even considered in that basket. So no. We've taken trades where we took gold sells and DXY was selling. We've taken trades where they are opposite. Was that the little liquidity sweep? Gold.
Chris,
Mm.
the banger reels out, bro.
Let me see a 222 strat. Are you ready?
Guys, just hit a little exclamation. What would it be? Exclamation Keegan.
Yeah.
Oh.
Yours is exclamation Keegan.
Exclamation Keegan. There's a new reel out there. And funny enough, for US study. So a little bit of an inside if you want to see how we start taking these trades we took today. Definitely something for you guys to go consider. Bro, you can't even lie. This is a banger one. I think this is a insightful one for guys. Like they actually can learn from that.
Oh, you changed your text on it. When? Today?
Which text?
No, the font of your text. Did you change it?
That's what it was earlier.
Really?
Yeah.
Chad, go look at that story.
Was it your 1 second DP, bro?
A 1 second stop loss. Like, I'm in chat. Chris, what do you mean you in and out? Yeah, chat, that was us. Peter, no. Here's the thing. When it comes to trading, when it comes to your fundamental analysis, you should have a longer term view. But when it comes to your intercession trades, you need to have a very short term memory. You can't focus on what happened here. You need to focus. Remember what I said. This is your playground for the session. You need to just look at what's happening on the field here and forget what happened. That is your playing field. What happens here, weekly low, daily low, session low. Will I take one more bullet? I will. And then I'm done. I'm going to take half a bullet. Again, tight stop. If we can, after rejecting here, if this 5 minute can close bearish below this level, something like this, we're going for one. I'm happy to take 0.5% here. If we get that, that is the last bullet for the session, because there is big volume coming on gold. This entire consolidation today, there's big volume coming. Is it another leg to the downside? I don't know. Is the retrace starting? I don't know either, but I would say that this would be my last shot. This candle, yeah. Can we get something special here for the boys? Yeah, see, no. There's a lot of range to fall to the upside. There's a lot of, if you look here, there's a lot of clean traffic here. There's little to no pullback on this. It was down, consolidate, down. Now into a bigger consolidation. So think of it this way. Is this consolidation here, this bigger one, is this not maybe a fractal of this little consolidation here, and that we're still going to get another leg down? Remember, a trend is more likely to continue than to reverse. Okay, chat, here we go. 2 minutes 20. 2 minutes 20. Last Patron. Do not run here. We just need a closure below this little green box here. If we get it, 2 minutes.
Bro, you know what's funny, eh? I swear there's other influencer traders that have like my alerts on.
Why?
Bro, Like I just posted, and they'll be like one of the first guys that have liked it, and
Oh yeah, you can't put that.
what love's worst, oh baby. We all need key strats. Joy
Okay, here we go.
G.
Here we go, Chad. Get ready. Get ready to be super, super aggressive.
Be aggressive. Be aggressive.
Selling weekly lows and session lows feels so wrong. Alrighty.
You can do it.
1 minute.
You can do it. You can do it.
Get ready for those TPs
Yeah,
to
man,
get
Chris.
slapped. Slippage on the TPs.
We can give you like a 2-minute TP.
I've got 100-point TP. Like, it's going to be like, damn, look at that thing melt. Thanks, Chris. Keeks. All right, chat. I'm telling you now already, if this candle closes like this, we're going to have sell stops on the low of that candle. And again, 15 point stop. 15 pip stop. 15 pip stop, and then it needs to skedaddle. Needs to get a move on.
Skedaddle.
Needs to skedaddle.
Oh, yabba dabba doo.
A little get your ass in gear. Let's sell a weekly low. Gonna wait for a tiny top wick. Yeah, there we go. Shit, where's it? I want to be precise. Sell stops. Okay, Chad. Last bullet. Sell stops on the low. 15 pip stop right there. Little 15 needs to trigger us and flush. I might even go for full. Feeling cute. Might go for 100-point target there. Thing is, this thing is already down $35 on the day, bro.
Bro, I say if it breaks, I say you're looking at 23.50.
Huh?
Easy.
Nasty, bro. Ooh, Chad. Okay, not in yet.
23.50 if this breaks.
Chad, I'm not in yet. I swear to you, you can ask the guys, the G members. Not in yet. Not in yet. Not in yet. Not in yet.
You have to be in now, bro.
No, still, I swear to you, you can check Discord. Chad, I'm still not in.
It's probably waiting for the ask price to get over.
Yeah. Chad, sorry man, I'm still not. Trading View and the broker terminal is different. Wait, let me just show the boys before they think I'm lying.
Yeah, when you have a spread, your ask and your bid price aren't over yet.
Chad, there you can see 10 past 4. There's the order. There's the order there. Sell stop. Before the guys say, Chris, you said we in sell stops.
I think you're in now, bro.
Still not in. You'll see it.
Still not.
Bro, still not.
I can't see on the screen. My thing's just delayed, so I'm just watching on the chart.
Have
to be now, bro. Have to be.
Wait, shit, am I in?
You have
no,
to be,
still, bro. I promise you, I'm not doing anything here. Check here. You're gonna see now. It's gonna take a screenshot as soon as I execute, Chad.
Thanks, Chris. In and out, caught the 10 pips.
Nah, bro. There's no way there was 10 pips.
Bro.
There's no way that was 10 pips. Was that 10 pips? Chad, I swear to you. There you can see the order created like 1 minute ago. And I haven't touched anything. If I touch anything on my terminal, it changes here.
No,
Alright?
like, the thing is, bro, I believe you, but it's like, how is this thing not tapping you in yet?
Wait, I can bring my terminal across, Chad. Wait, let me do this.
How? If this thing gaps there now, come on, just a little jump.
You guys will see it. Wait, I want the boys to see it.
This will actually be a nice thing. The guys can see how quick the trade alerts work.
Yeah, Chad, I'm still not in, bro. I'm still not in. That thing is like, nah. Still not in, bro. I'm still literally not in, Keeks. Wait. Still not in. Chad, you're gonna see it, yeah. I'm just ready to drag my stuff.
Right.
Yo, Chad, it's like, bro, is this thing giving me a sign? Still not in, Chad. I haven't touched it. If I even move it now, you'll see a new sell stop level. Chad, still not in. There's the level entry. 2361.18. Here's the terminal. There you can see. Can you guys see it? Let's actually keep it like that. There it is. How many minutes do we have left? I might delete this. Let me just.
How low did you put the sell stop?
1 minute.
No,
I usually no. I give it like that spread. Let's see. Can we trigger?
Bro, this thing is like.
Chad, still not in, my brother. Still not in. Thing is still not in. Chad, you know what? I'm not gonna risk it. I'm deleting it. So check here. So I'm gonna delete it now, just to show you guys what it looks like. Yeah, I deleted it. Deleted sell stop. Okay. All right, Chad. So yeah, that thing didn't trigger me.
There you would have got triggered now.
No, still not, because it's on 2361.18.
Oh, 18.
Yeah,
yes, bro. You actually had low, hey. Oh, there. It just hit 1.7. You would have been there. 1.4 even. You would have been in now.
Yeah, no, Chad, I deleted it just to show you guys.
That is crazy.
Again, last 20 seconds of a 5-minute candle. Not my trade to take. There's another day tomorrow.
That is crazy, bro.
Bro, how long did that thing trickle on the low there? I was happy to take the risk, Chad. I was happy to take the risk. Yeah, that is... what did it, Chad? Now you triggered. No, I deleted it, Peter. Deleted it. There's the...
Bro,
there's
I
the
didn't
sell
want
stop
to
deleted.
look at US study, though.
Nah, I swear, bro.
Remember, what did I tell you the TP was going to be? The target.
A 33-second stop loss, yeah.
Right.
In, out.
Guys, anyone that's in Project G, if you knew me, the fact it was a bar, there's something there that should have been a TP. Anyone that knows me should have known what that TP would have been. They just got hit. Anyone would have known what that TP was going to be.
I'm not crying. I'm not crying, Chad. Am I crying? I am crying a little bit.
Hey, Chris, people still took it, bro. They thank you.
How did they thank me?
Yeah, TV smacked.
Chad. Michaela. I don't know what to tell you guys. Yeah, I'm not in, Chad. I'm not in. Yeah, here's my thing. And as much as yesterday we called it as well for the guys that were in the last part of the session, we called that nice pop. Here is my thinking. You saw my sell stops there. My only thinking is just thinking logically about it. A 5-minute candle has got 5 1-minute candles in it. So if you're telling me that for 4 minutes we traded up, and now just 1 minute one 1-minute candle is just gonna flush the lows, then it's a case of I don't like that. I would like more. Think of it in terms of averages. I would love for 20% of the time, let's say I'm bearish, 20% of the time it needs to create a top wick, and then 80% of the time it needs to be spending that time creating the body of the candle. And that is why I deleted it, because it spent so much time holding just above that level. My thing was, why is it not breaking that level? And there you go, Chad. Look at that key level. Do we have one more bullet in us? No, I'm kidding. I missed it. Chad, it's a game of margins. It's a game of margins. I missed that US 30 trade. US 30. What zones did we pull here? Ooh, alrighty, Chad. It was a session. It was a day today. A lot of Papa Chris for dub. Previous weekly low. Chad. Geeks, technically, the yearly pivot held.
Ooh.
We are we at the EQ. We at the previous weekly low. US 30 is only up 0.25. Technically, if you wanna, I'm just saying, Chad. I'm just saying, if you're feeling a little bit aggressive, if this thing breaks out here and it's holding this level, all I'm saying is this is 50% of yesterday's candle. There's still a lot of room to the upside. I'm not trading it, but look at the 80. Look at the EMAs. All I'm saying is watch out. Yo, these key levels, bro. It seems these key levels work. Key levels. No, that's me. Okay, sorry, quick thing. All right. What did you say? 50% of your first payout. That's incredible. Thanks, Geeks. Is that your tithe for the...
Keys, quick breakdown of that banger strat. Groot as a...
Groot.
My brother.
Groot onder.
So when you trade US 30, you just stick your hand in there. You just feel around which ball feels like a bit bigger. If one feels bigger than the other, it's a buy. If the other one feels a bit smaller, it's telling you it's a sell. And then you just gotta pull those balls out, and then you just gotta full port the account.
I'm down just over 0.5%. Mpo, just over 0.5%. Just that one trade here, that sell stop here, there, and close for stop loss. So 0.62%. There you can see it, minus 0.62. That's the only trade I've taken today. And when was the last time we traded? The last time we traded on stream was... Oh, it was yesterday, yeah. Yesterday, the US 30 bars. There was the US 30 bars. Yeah, sorry, that was yesterday. New buy. Yeah, there was the US 30 buy yesterday. There, and then that's where we closed out. Yeah, somebody asked me on Instagram and they said like, Chris, that's in the group, and I said, yo, that was actually a market execution buy yesterday, and we bottom ticked it. Yeah, on the 5, or is this the... Oh, it's showing on the 15 minute. Yeah, we literally bottom ticked that thing. It pushed up a little bit, came back down, and then went to go and smack the TP. But yeah, that's the trades for the session. That's the trades for the session. I think tomorrow is going to be very, very interesting. How's that for levels? 23.58 and boom, flip. Yeah. There's that key. Chat is key levels. For some of you that don't know, before we head off, a key level is somewhat subjective, but we always consider key levels. We don't consider the wicks. The wicks don't really mean anything. It's where price opens and where price closes. So that's what's important. But these key levels are just areas where there's a lot of concentration of opens and closes of candles. So think of it that way. It's just a concentration of where there's a lot of action. So it is somewhat subjective. For instance, this key level here that I've got here, Keegan may have it like $2 lower. Another guy may have it $2 higher. But ultimately, if we draw a zone around it, that zone is a key zone. So, Keys, I think I'm done, my bro.
Oh, that's me for the session, bro. Nothing gonna sit around and try to force something now.
I think gold was, there was, Chad, is honestly, I can't even say there was a missed opportunity on gold today.
Gold's done nothing. If anything, guys, gold moving like this, I think it's setting up for a big day again tomorrow.
Yeah. US 30. Yeah, Chad, monitor this section, yeah.
Also, my thing is, I always say to guys, you have one proper move in a day on a pair. And I think gold's was at 3:30 this morning. That big bearish move, that was the move on gold today.
There's nothing here for me. VF down. No. No, wait. Are you asking, are you saying Vault Funder is down? No way. No. Let me check here quickly. Log in. No. Everything perfect. Are you talking about the trading terminal? No, everything is popping here.
Menti, I wouldn't, personally, again, I was actually asked this, I wouldn't necessarily do the EQ strat purely because things don't line up for me. You get to the end of the day, which I don't like trading, you guys know this, but also the fact it doesn't line up with our normal bias. So I personally wouldn't like it now. 100% could still go for it, I just don't like it.
The EQ strat.
VF up now. What time is the call tonight, Chris? We're sticking to 8, bro.
Yeah, I'm happy with 8. I'm happy with 8. I'll do that first section, and I'll do the first section, and then I can mute my mic.
Yeah, no, that's perfect. All right, I think that's gonna be it then, bro. I don't see any other. I'm not taking anything now, and there isn't anything I would take, if, in all honesty.
Alrighty, there we go. Full screen chats.
Okay, guys.
Maybe just touch on the day tomorrow. Quite a bit happening tomorrow.
Yeah, so guys, tomorrow, as always, got London session. We're gonna obviously call that one, I think, I wouldn't say a little bit early, but we're gonna really try to stick to our normal time. So make sure you're sitting for that one. And then myself, Chris, have some things to get done. And then, guys, the first live podcast is back. The guy, Shaq, coming?
Yeah, he said it's coming.
All right. So we're going to have the first live podcast again in the new studio. So we're going to break it in. And we are going to have Shaq here. We're going to have the 3 ultimate trader coaches live in camera, going to see what is happening, what are the results, what are things looking like, and I have a little bit of a live press conference where we're going to see the coaches, what their thoughts on each other and the progress that's being made. We'll also probably find out real time what the current results are, and as I say, let the coaches see how we're feeling. So yeah, you guys, I'm going to miss tomorrow. Going to be a good one, going to be a nice chat. And then obviously straight after that, we come back into New York session. So hope you guys are ready. It's going to be a very full, busy day tomorrow. Lots of chart time, lots of chart talk. But other than that,
Keeks, is there beef between you and Shaq?
Beef between me and Shaq?
Yeah, why don't you guys, I don't see you guys sharing each other's stuff on Instagram. What's happening, Chad? I think we need to find out what's going. Shaq is now trading gold. Keegan is trading US 30. Shaq is having a tough month. Keegan is killing it. He's up almost 15%.
Nah, there's no beef.
What's happening here, bro?
There's no beef, bro.
Chad, I think I'm gonna ask some hard questions tomorrow. I don't know what's happening here.
We're gonna see, guys.
I don't know. All of a sudden, Shaq is now on gold. Keegan went from gold to US 30. Chad, I don't know. I don't know. Things are looking rough for tomorrow. I think emotions are high, but yeah, Chad, let's see tomorrow.
All right.
Sheesh,
Is the
all
pod
right.
live? Yeah, tomorrow is going to be live. Obviously, it is still recorded, but it will be broadcasted live.
So you're telling me there's no okay, Chad?
no
Let's
beef.
see tomorrow. I wanna see what's up. I don't understand how you trade and they call you Mr. US 30, and now you all of a sudden Mr. Gold, and Mr. Gold went to Mr. US. Chad, I don't know. We need to ask some very hard questions here, and I want you guys in the chat tomorrow. The pod is live, man. To see you guys tomorrow. Let's settle this and monk mode and alpha mode. Like, we need to decide in what mode are we here.
And then, to top it off, we're going to find out if this young man over there has been journaling his trades. Because I think he hasn't. And we're seeing some DJ and things happening over there.
No, I'm not journaling. I've got an algorithm that journals for me. Chad, no. These boys, I need to chat to them tomorrow.
But alright,
Chad,
guys.
peace and love, baby. See you guys
Peace
tomorrow.
and love, Chad. We'll see you guys tomorrow. Take care of yourself. Take care of each other. Cheers, Chad.
Don't you know who you are? Electric. Your eyes are filled with stars. Seems to circle the other. As you go, you remain a stranger to me, to you. But our pieces left uncovered. I'm thinking about four-leaf clovers. I've got composure, silver coin. You hold me, turn me over right now. But expect to forget about it. Watch as the breeze burns golden smoke that you've stolen. Feels like it's my fortune that you're folding. I'm swimming with the sharks. I'm swimming with the sharks. I can't tell you apart from them. You can't tell either. Will we love or fall in deeper? Tell me, darling, what is it you want? How the mind doesn't work like it used to. As I know I remain a danger to me, to you. Going altered by the moment, dear, and the sedation. Idle, sweet on survival. I'm on fire, waiting your arrival. I never expect to be saved without it. All you could ask for never made its way into your eyes.
Oh shit, man.
Oh my god. Let me show you what I got. This beat is so hot. Oh my god.
Is that bullshit?
I think not. Let me show you what I got. This beat is so hot.
Hey yo, who made it?
I think God. Oh my.
Feelings, it's like I can't walk on the ceiling. Oh yeah, got me dreaming, dreaming in colors I never dreamed in. Oh yeah, I let you in deeper than I let anyone else before. Fell in love with my broken pieces, took them all and made them yours. Didn't know what my heartbeat needed, skipping out, no I can't keep score. When I lose my breath, boy, you got me breathing. Oh, every little thing you do, every time you hold me, take me higher, higher. Every little thing you do, every time you hold me, take me higher, higher. Oh. Magic. No, I'm never letting go. Now that I have it with you. When you kiss me, it's like the stars fall out the sky onto my heart to cover up what I don't wanna show. I let you in deeper than I let anyone else before. Fell in love with my broken pieces, took them all and made them yours. Didn't know what my heartbeat needed, skipping out, no I can't keep score. When I lose my breath, boy, you got me breathing. Oh, every little thing you do, every time you hold me, take me higher, higher. Every little thing you do, every time you hold me, take me higher, higher. Oh, you take me higher, you take me higher, baby, you take me higher, you take me higher, baby, you take me higher, you take me higher, baby, you take me higher, yeah, you take me higher, baby.
I'm always trying to see through your flaws, 'cause I know that you got so much more to give. You made a real mess, but I miss you though, 'cause I can go to sleep when I'm alone again. Say you wanna fix our problems, how long should I be waiting? Feels like I've had too much of drama, but I'm not ready to give in. I don't wanna see us going on and off again. Baby, all I really want is only on from now. Every time of your good side. I start wondering how I could make it last a little longer. Say you wanna fix our problems. How long should I be waiting? Feels like I've had too much of drama, but I'm not ready to give in.